Hi, my name is Ryan Padone. I'm a barrel futurity horse trainer and also an NFR qualifier in 2020. I am looking at Jetson Babes, and he's a son of Blazin Jetolena out of a daughter of Frenchmans Guy. Super cute colt. He had to be hauled in here to my place, and he's been very good-minded. He was very good with the pictures. I really like this colt. His conformation is super balanced. He's got good feet. I can't really fault him. He has a cute little roan tail, so that just kind of adds a little spice to his presence. And super willing. He stood really good for the pictures and everything, but yet still has a big personality, not a total deadhead, which I really enjoy. When you watch him move in some of the owner's videos, you can see he moves super good, real light-footed and real balanced mover. His dam was a really nice mare. She runs here in Texas, 1D, 2D, which is super tough. It's placed at Cowtown and placed at the APHA World Show and everything. So this colt is by Blazin Jetolena, so he's eligible for like nearly every single incentive, which is very, very nice. And also he's eligible for a lot of the paint incentives, so that's just an added plus. So anyhow, I can't really fault him anywhere. He's a little bit playful, which I enjoy. Some people might find annoying, but I love it. He handles very nice. And like I said, he's handling it really well because this is his first trailer ride away from home and to a strange place, and he's taking it all very, very well. He's super willing. He's a good mover. Just really a kind colt. Seems super intelligent. Which on his papers, if you ride the papers a little bit, which I like to ride the papers a little bit, he should be pretty user-friendly too. We picked up his feet earlier. He seems like super easy to handle. I watched the owners of him pick up his feet. So he was really willing to move his feet around and seemed really good-minded about it. And he's kind of in your pocket. So if you want a baby that's like all in your business, it's like an added plus. So anyways, I would be all about this prospect if I was a trainer looking for one, but I'm a big fan of the Blazins, and I've seen Blazin Jetolena work really well in the barrel horse pen.